Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Phuti Kabasa. I'm the founder of Mopani Queens. I started Mopani Queens initially to raise money for my family, and it grew into a big passion of mine when I realized that a lot of South Africans don't know what is Mopani worms and how wonderful they are. Our company provides our customers with snacks made from Mopani worms. We have 3 different flavors, which are chutney, peri-peri, and barbecue. These are ready-to-eat snacks full of protein, GMO-free and organic. We also produce mopilas, which are your tortillas made with Mopani worms. They come in a tomato flavor. And we also have your traditional salted Mopani bites that you can stew and cook and enjoy with your family. Our company is an online company. We are based in Pretoria West, but we do not have a physical store. You can order online on www.mopanibites.com or send us a DM on any social media, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Our handle is Mopani Queens. You can send us a DM or you can send a WhatsApp to 063-802-4194. Hi, my name is Phuti Kabasa and I am a Township Entrepreneur.